now it's time for one of my favorite sounds, my favorite phonemes, the Australian one. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. Now, one of the first ways you can make oi is O-I. Like coin. Or toil. Oi. The other way you can make oi is O-Y. Like toy. Or boy. Now, to make the oi sound, oi. It's almost like making an O and an E at the same time, really fast. You start with the O, oi, oi. So, first thing you do is make an O with lips. Second thing you do, oi, O. You make an O sound from the back of your throat. Vibe from back of throat. 3. Oi, oi. You pull your cheeks and lips outward. Pull cheeks and lips outward. Oi, 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 oi. Number 4. Vibe goes out sides of cheeks. Yeah, you did it.